Alrighty, so for this assignment, I chose to focus on the unit of World War II. I chose to use Google Classroom as my main facilitator for all my assignments and to host my class in. So when students type in Google Classroom, they will click on the first link, and this is what their screen will look like. They will be enrolled in my class already, assuming that they have already enrolled. We're not going to go through that process, but they will click on my class, go up to classwork, and here is our module. World War II, it's titled. And so we got 4 parts posted on Google Classroom for this assignment, or for this module. We got Intro to World War II. We have Quizlet Review, Crossword Puzzle, and Flipgrid. Starting from the top down, the intro to WW2, as I called it, World War II. We're going to click on it, and it says, for this assignment, watch this YouTube video. Here's the link, and turn in a 5-sentence summary on what you learned. After your 5-sentence summary, ask at least one question you still have on World War II. So when learners will click this link, they will be directed to a John Green crash course video. And so, crash course videos are awesome. They're interactive, they're fun. They get learners interested. So this is about a 13-minute video. Shouldn't take long. This is part one of World War II. This is in this part one, he just goes over the basics. Students will not need to worry about part two because for this unit we will just be focusing on the basics of World War II, causes and effects, the who, what, where, when, why. um, we're not going to go into great detail just because, for the sake of this assignment, for the ed tech class, we're just doing the basics. And so after they watch this video, they will go back to Google Classroom, and they will have to submit a response. It's from a teacher view right now, so it'll look a little bit different for the students, but they will submit a response. Something great about Google Classroom is, in order to track data and progress on each of these assignments, I could see um, how many students were assigned this assignment, and also how many turned it in. So I could see if students are getting it done, and how quickly they're going to be able to get it done. And so after they are introduced to World War II and the basics from the crash course video, they will go down to the Quizlet review. It says use this link. Here's the link to learn/review the basics of World War II. So once students click on this link, they will be brought to this Quizlet I made over World War II. Quizlet is awesome to learn, review, and really just memorize material and kind of get it locked in their brain, because they have these multiple different options on the side here. Starting off with flashcards, we go through the Allies, the Axis powers, where World War II took place, when World War II started, when World War II ended, and why World War II happened. So after learners go through the flashcards, they're able to do several different functions on Quizlet. It's awesome. They have a learn feature, they have a write feature, a spell feature, and a test feature. Going to the UDL principles of learning, this gives learners a multiple means of engagement. Um, they are able to learn content and review it not only in one way, but Quizlet's great for providing multiple different options. So learners are able to learn in different ways that are best for them. Going back to Google Classroom, the third one is a crossword puzzle. So it says, please print off and complete this crossword puzzle to help you review World War II knowledge. So when learners click on the link, it'll be brought up this assignment. Ideally, if we were in an in-person classroom, I would just have these printed off already. But this is titled World War II Study, and I have created this crossword puzzle. We are going to pick up on the second half of this unit in the next video.